Hi guys. You told me what to do. Same thing. What you want me to do, but I can't go up and down the street yet, guys, because Mr. Steve. I can see. Yeah. And when they've gone, I can do so, guys.